Good morning, guys. Hello baby here. Welcome on today's videos are very special, and guys, it's another beautiful morning over here which God have granted us. And the technical guys, I'm fully outside, east west, home is the best, man. This I'm calling home. And actually guys, by watching my videos, at least at the end of the month I'll do it something. So that being said, I want to take you around. And on today's videos guys, I'm heading outside, going to my new second home. Actually, this is my mom's home, and where I'm heading to, it's my friend's land, and I'm a caretaker, so I want to make sure everything's good and well, fantastic there. So like no distracted of the land and properties. So it's supposed to be in there. So it's been a while guys since I have been there doing some cleanness here and there. And actually guys, by God's grace, I'll manage to go there. So this is my baby right now here. It's packed, and wow. So guys, right now this moment I'm like only $100 to bring some blocks here. So you're watching these videos from the far end guys. I'm the guy who when I get money I spend in terms of building and construction. Right now I'm on the process of buying materials here and there, and the house will be built here for my mom's dream house. And also this house will be cut until this place here, from this side here actually going to other side. So because the house will take the bigger angle, you know, and all these trees are supposed to be cut down. So guys, thank you so much by watching my videos. I really appreciate. And in case you're new here guys, subscribe to my channel. Also go and check Felicitas, show her some love, I mean. And she almost to 600 subscribers guys. I feel so good guys when I support her, and I see her channel is doing good actually, so we can't complain at all. And you know guys, through you we feed some fingers to our mouth, you know, by watching our videos. So it can help us to put something on table. So this 700 blocks, and it goes to 53,000 Kenyan shillings. And right now guys, to be honest, when I get $100, I'll add the money that I have. I can buy another 700 blocks right here. And remember guys, if you're watching my videos every day, there is a day I shoot a videos. My engineer arrived at home, take the measurement of the house, and give me some quotation. So for the blocks, so I'm supposed to have 2,500. Imagine 2,500. You know, for this case, let's see guys how things go. You know, and probably I had a lot of things to do. You know, and for those people say, hello baby, just put the polishing paper on top, nothing will be bad here. Hey, I feel like I'll climb on the, okay my god, right here. Wow, it's been a while guys since I bought these blocks. Even me, I didn't climb here, you know. It's like one trip guys. Remember, only guys, only $100 I bring them the blocks here, because I'm only missing $100 to be full money, you know. This one here goes to $450. I'm telling you guys, in terms of exchange rate, I'm not accurate, but I remember in Kenyan shillings it goes to 53,000 Kenyan shillings. So right now I'm missing 10,000 Kenyan shillings, so to be brought the material here guys. I'm telling you, even maybe like in our village here, nobody can help you like, oh, I want to help you $10,000, and then you'll be bring back. Nobody, everybody here, they're just doing their own things. And me, like, I don't want to complain at all. Even I will shift. If I see that man, I have the less money, I'll start buying sand, balanced, and then I will see guys. But my target was this month, I supposed to buy blocks. Oh my god, oh my god. So anyway guys, I just feel so good. And you guys, You're really amazing to me, you know. You're the one who made my dream to be shine. And I can't wait to see my mom's dream house. I'm telling you guys, on Sunday I made a short live stream. And I do like Q&A live stream, question and answer. So probably I told you guys I'm going to build my mom's house. I'm going to start with 000. But at least right now I have some materials for the starting. And I will keep pushing. We keep pushing. You know, we're supposed to have 100 bags of cement, 1 roller for the polythene paper, and then 2 bundles for the wall pass, you know, and like 1 bundle for the wall pass goes to 4,000 Kenyan shillings. So that's 8,000 because I'm supposed to have 2 of them. Man, when my engineer give me some quotation, I feel like I'll cry a lot. But God is good. Me, I'm just putting materials step by step, no pressure at all. You know, look. Hey. Whoa, let's see how things go. Things fall apart at Hello Baby on my side. But Mom, thank you so much. May God bless you. You made it possible. Right now, at least I have material on the ground. If you're watching this video, I don't want to mention your name. You made it possible. And, you know, I'm grinding so hard, man. No time for negativity. Me, I'm saying always, you know, because I received negative comments on my comment section. But me, I don't care. I don't care, man. I don't care at all. So, wow. Let's check the time. Oh, my God. The time is running. It's running like crazy. All right, guys. All right. And then let me greet my African mom. And let's see whether they're inside the house. You see? Oh, boom. Okay. Hey, it's high. Let me greet my African mom. No one who like my African mom around the village. But also I have parents outside there. I have my beautiful dad. I have my beautiful mom. I have my handsome dad outside there. You know, I have my beautiful sister. I have my handsome brother who watching my videos. And I've made my dream come to reality. Man, me, I feel so good, man. You know, like I'm not doing a comedian because it's happiness, man. It's happiness. Even you can look my face. Ha! Whoa! You will see, guys. Let me see my African mom and then say hello before I left. Mom! Hey, my African mom. Welcome, guys. Look, this is the situation. When you come to our village, maybe one day, you'll find these things have been changed. Hey. Wow, guys. Right here, look. Water is running. Whoa, the basin. And also we have the water through the borehole. Mama, say hello.
Hello.
Are you good?
I am good.
Yes. Vipi hali?
Hali ni nzuri.
Bruno. Say hello. Okay, hali ni nzuri. Oh. Mimi naenda kwa shamba ya rafiki yangu. Shamba means land. So I'm telling my mom I'm going to my friend's land. That's my second new home, mom. Yeah. Koni nyumbani. Yeah. Yeah, I have my mom outside there. She also my mom. Yeah, that's my second home. Okay, mom. Me, I'm going.
Hi.
Bye.
Bye.
Yeah. Wow, guys. Let's go. I'm telling my mama I'm heading to my new second home. This is my first home. And I have the new second home. Wow. Let's see how things go before we left. Before we left, man. For my premiere again, you get these videos, no pressure. I know yesterday you missed the videos, but because of 1, 2, 3. Because of 1, 2, 3. Also, I have the sand here which I dig on the septic tank, also on the borehole. So when the time reach, I want to come back to my mom's house on the floor. I'll use this one to come back from then put concrete all the ballasts. Wow. So guys, stay tuned, more amazing videos coming, and I'm heading to the land, so stay blessed. Alright guys, so it's another bright morning over here. So actually I'm heading to my land, and technically guys, I'm going to do some cleanness there, slashing of the tall grass, cutting down to be short. And then there is a day, I think last week I was been there doing some short work, so I'm going there to remove some the remaining stuff which have been uprooted out. And right here is a church, so SDA Adventist. If you are Adventist, right here in our village you have the church. So this is the toilet here, a nice one, man. Look, it's a super clean toilet ever, guys, and it's a hidden roof, you see. Wow. So guys, technically I'm just over here, so I have two ways, guys. I could go this way, go to my new second home, or to my friend's home, or go that way, whichever the case, guys. But let's explore a little bit how my village looks like. Wow, it's super calm. We have the shade here. Imagine, guys, how God do, like, I want to say, we want to believe in God, guys. Imagine from this shade here to this here, guys. It's by God's grace, I'm telling you, guys. And it's not an easy thing. For those people who are keep supporting the church, may God bless you. Look. Wow, from the shed, guys, up this here, man, it's by God's grace. So I want to take you around and see, guys, look how the church looks like. I think even me on my mom's dream house, I'll put the maroon iron sheet, because most of the people build put iron sheet black, green. Me, I'll put maroon like this one here. We have the goat grazing. Say, man, say hello. They are grazing there. Wow. Alright guys, alright. So I'm fully outside, and thank you so much, guys, for the love and support. I really appreciate. So at this moment I'm outside. Wow. No, giving you positive vibe all the way. But on my yesterday's videos, people asked me, one of my subscribers asked me, hello baby, these videos I didn't see you traveling. I'm telling you, I'm maneuver around with my bike, and then it's raining time when we went for to celebrate a small party. There's a vacation, and my mama used the vehicle or the car, but me, I use the motorbike, you know, go and coming back. It's raining here and there, so my mama can't manage to be on the motorbike. So I explain a little bit, and you know, we flow the vibe, man, till the end, all the way, guys. Positive vibe. And I'm taking you this way. Wow, guys, imagine, you're so blessed. This Jamaican uncle's land right here, you know. And big shout out to Jamaican uncle. He was a good advisor. enough love. And me, I love the energy for Jamaican uncle, because he was a nice man. He was a nice dad, I'm telling you. So let me take you down, and in case you're new here, go and check Jamaican uncle, subscribe to his channel. Road to success, guys. Wow, guys. Okay, I want to pass the Rivers place going that way, because I don't want to take too long. So this is the gate here, and it's well fenced by barbed fenced, and also to protect maybe intruder going inside all the cows, you know. So I want to pass here. You see, guys, the good thing about in our village here, you want to pass people's place or people's home, and technically this is the back door. Actually, I'm around at the river's place, so I want to pass here going. Okay, let's go, because I left my bike here under the shed. Wow. Dreams are valid, and imagine where I'm heading to. We just neighbor, guys, we just neighbor. Okay. Wow. So I'm going to show you the work that we're supposed to do on the other side, and be ready for this, guys. Be ready. And mom, wherever you are, I think you're watching these videos, you'll be surprised. Wow, look, super green, man. And today's a chilly day, Okay, you heard that cock? Means blessing, bless up. And guys, thank you so much for the love and support. I really appreciate. And at this moment, I got the bike. Okay. I got the bike, and I'm supposed to take them to the car wash because it's been a while. It's been a while. Look how it looks like. It's because we have poor roads here. I'm telling you guys, like deeply in our village, we have poor roads, and we have leaders. We pay tax. That being said, most of the villagers where we came from, unless when you find a good road, either going to the politics guys, I'm telling you, or we made the tarmac road, which is the main road. We have one of the tarmac road which connect East Africa, the border of Kenya, Tanzania, Uganda. And the good thing about I love Jamaica, I love US, like even East Africa, no, even South Africa, because they have good roads, like for example, guys, I think in US you can maybe drive from your home, you meet the tarmac road, the main road, you go like no mud, like no bumps. But here a lot of bumps, roads are not good. Look, like my motorbike, I can wash thrice per week. Imagine, crazy. When it's raining time, I'm telling you, man, I suffer a lot. But when it's sunny time, it's to wipe the dust and you go. But at this moment, things are not okay. So I'll go and wash them, and it's a brand new, guys. Look, through your support, guys, I managed to have this my motorbike here. Nothing to be blab, like to be black here and there. I'm not blagging things, guys. I'm just show the reality. Look, from a handman to have HLX 125, and it's a TVS company. Let's go, guys. Me all the way. I'm so grateful, guys. I'm so grateful, and I appreciate what I have. These some tons here. So the good thing, I left my bike there, and my bike, both tires are tubeless. That is it. Guys, if you're watching my videos, you have already know. So guys, welcome to my friend's land. I'm heading to my friend's land. At the same time, it's my second new home. Wow. So that land starts from here. You see? From here, this is the boundary. Going up that way. All right. We create good roads here because down here we have the Villa Mengelin down here. down here. You see the white color coming in good shape. That's Villa Angeline. Also, guys, there's some stones here, and probably, guys, right now I'm just at this land, so we want to do some short thing here, you know. So I'm just waiting the guy to come from nowhere. So we want to cut this grass to be short. Even I can do alone, guys, but it's because when somebody asks some job, I give them. That's the best way to support each other. Wow, we have stones here, right here, right here, right here, right here. And also we have the sand here. Okay, these stones, I'm not sure that maybe it's too deep or too lorries, but I'm not 100% sure. But it's a big stones, man. Look, huge stones, huge stones. These are bigger stones. In terms of building and construction, you want to have material on the ground. And guys, remember, anytime. Today's on I think it's on Wednesday, maybe Thursday to Friday up to Saturday. You'll see, guys, I want to do something special for you guys. And you're the one who made my dream to be shine outside here. So guys, I'm telling you, every month at least I remain 0-0, but I do something which I can see in future. And this moment, guys, I'm on the process of buying materials for my mom's dream house. So I said earlier, guys, this month maybe I buy stones. No, not stones. I buy sand or balance stones, but also have blocks. So I'm remaining with some few money to add, and then to buy blocks. To be honest, right now I'm lucky 100 USD. So to complete, like to have the total amount of money that I needed my blocks to be arrived at home. And I'm telling you guys, this week I'll never let you down, and you'll see, guys, you'll see. So the remaining $100, I will look maybe for the good guy who will maybe bankrupt the money on me, and then we write down the agreement. I'll see, guys. I'll see the $100 remaining, man. Like fresh, the $100 that are remaining to kill the show. But I'm assure you guys, this week I saw in God, the God who I'm believing, I'll buy blocks. I'm telling you guys. But I am the one who make my dream, guys, to become to reality. You know, buying blocks here and there, and we wanna buy cement. You know, every month at least I budget this side. Last month I paid 10 bags of cement, and then I take my motorbike. So this month I wanna balance, so all the money that I got goes to the blocks. You will see, guys, you will see. Me, I want to say thank you so much for the love and support. May God bless you for those people who keep supporting me, and everything will be possible. So the reason why I come here, you know, from my home up this land, it's a little bit far, like that, not that much far, so I can't maybe carry panga, jembe, or like working tools, equipment. So far so good. I'm coming here, so we need to make this place to be look good here. I'm waiting the guy, but I didn't see him, you know. Okay, guys, because he asked me some job, and the small amount that I have, let's share with maybe each other. The small something that I have, let's share with each other. So we want to remove there's some grasses here. You know, if you're watching my videos, there's a day I do a video around here. Yeah. Okay. Hey, fresh. Boy, unaniita Muram. Umeona mlimi hapo? Yaani uone mlimi mwambie ananichelewesha, ako hapo hivi kwake. Mwambie awai. Boyande. Anduchire nawe. Oh guys, let me go and see the guy who asked for me a job, guys. Right here. Hey, these hands here. Okay. I don't want to postpone things, guys. Africa, the green land, motherland. Jamaica call Africa motherland, and for sure, I myself here, I represent Jamaican. People call me a Marasta man. Yeah, because I have dreads, for sure. See how people build, man. And I come from other side. Kamena wangu ntigitiari. Kuntigitiari. Era no ukulisi. Ngombe ndongo sukirere. This sky is growing so big. Say hello.
Hello, here is Mosabi Johnny again. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, as you can see here. I think it is noon.
Yeah, right now it's noon time, guys.
Yeah, I'm raising those cows here. And then I think the time it is okay. I can take them to drink water. Yes.
And then you left.
And then I left them.
Yeah, I'm telling you, this cow is growing big. Less than 1 year, guys. The cow is growing big. Look, even that one. Bigger one. You can make him all carrying. Then carry. I'm telling him, be very careful. There's a septic tank there. So, Ayuko. Masabi ka ose monere ki gorohara. E banga yo. Mura muna panga hapo. Take. Guys, there's some guy needs some job and then he ran away. I didn't see him. Yeah, guys, I'm telling Musabi to be very careful. Yeah, guys. You know, some improved cow can't see well. And then we have the septic tank here. Start to tab. We may work him. So I'm going to kuchimba hii. Na hata tana haja yo hata msingi utayari. Oh guys, you see there's some septic tank here, and then baba maji yanakuja humu ndani. Walishaka test. Okay guys. Yeah, we have what beautiful cows here. Igoro hara ni chirum jawra nyara feka hai kitera.
Oh, no more super for you.
Men kunya hari kini sasa. Guys, should I reject that guy because he wastes time of me and I have a lot of things to do, you know? Somebody need job and he was not serious. So ranga kyonya kor. Sabi? Ranga kyonya kor. Atani mokyo mokui. These are indigenous trees here. Of a hand. How? Oh, I see the guy. Okay, Maratani. Oh, guys, let me show you that job, guys. Let's go, guys, and see the guy right here. That's our neighbor here. Okay. Village toilets. Hey, green grass, man. Look, go that way. Wow. So at this moment we have bricks here. Wow, we have bricks here. I'm telling you, there's bricks, and there's not a lot. There's almost 1,000. Karambenga no bene mu. Yeah. Kayo ba ina makibiri boru chare kon. So kin ko mabaru musuka hano eh. Ba ho mu musuka hano. Eh.
Kasano ni hakunywe. Ngana ka kogambi no pene.
Karambe bita.
Kata kunyama. Hase hano haba hakilini arafu yorusha manto kala matakata kagara. Wana ko amiga kana hano bene mura. Wange ko ngata ko na terisi asa.
Kana
o mandi o mana ninje ko motevi hariga. Tamuringiri chimbira cha chiyo. Tusuma tere. Mana be hatu ko mahoriga. Niga hakunywe siga niga hakoreza yeti. Emo kwa to ko maho. Ata nenge kuranda tebya mabyara antebya. Ni wone wensamirere ki.
Yuni aborobi.
Oh. Yetera barba ge nanya bo asete barba ge yetera.
Okay, guys. Kana mama usere uchinya tigi chukire mo. Hapai, tutakuringa wiki hai.
Lampa ne gasi jeni ngono we.
Eh. Irenga. Mchimbe titi.
Mimi waga spendi, unajua mimi.
Ni heri tuero, ana tiku chuso kiasi ambiga.
Waga napenda aje. Kazi ya mtu naifanya inakuwa jini. Alafu kazi ya mtu naichukulia kazi yangu nafanya kazi yenye iko free and fair. Yani wewe wako ntebe unevo hani chimbire chirenda ako henchi. Ichiyongo tega amura tichirabe himana. Gase nonko.
Sasa no chiro ralingiri 100. 100 ya hale.
Kweli hatu amura hatu.
Watagamba. Mioro chiringi hivyo kwa sababu
tianko bro woka bayu sema tu
Omani ni bifaa bimbore mure minenga zile mkoru mwingine.
Najua ungefanya mwenyewe sijakata maana tumefanya na wewe kazi huko ndani. Najua wewe ni mtu wa money power.
Because I'm telling him I'll do it alone.
Sisi tuna pesa, wewe mtu wa money power. Unaona? Kama kuna huyu Marumi juzi alikuwa na kazi. Akaita watu wakakataa. Akaniambia mara tulikuwa ni kazi ngumu ilikuwa by the way lakini akaniambia mara tulikuwa tunafanya na wewe kazi ndio tufanye kazi. Tulifanya wewe ni mtu wa money power obeferiga hata unakuwa fair. Wewe ungekuwa wewe. Nganyuri wasa ni wohaye gasi. Ile ngoga ukagambirika mura temkichi mbele choncho chireisi. Yaani unajua mimi huaga napenda Eriga hata wewe unajijari na unajichukulia huyu ni ndugu yangu
Okay guys, we try to bargain. Okay, I will give you $2. Na kwa 200. Mabia 100.
Pare.
Au kitata kusomba.
Natoa zile.
Pono karata ya maru kare.
So kama unatoa zile, alafu nafieka hii sehemu utanipa 300.
Marimi. Montonko unaenda kwa mjengo tangia asubuhi mpaka jioni unalipa afu.
Bwana wangu mahuri hayo jioni tena hiki.
Sasa sasa ngapi?
How sure you
Guys, let me check the time because I'm telling him fast almost 23 minutes so sasa. Yeah guys, it's around 12:37. Hakuna ukubwa kusiri yanko rumwene.
No problem also.
Umehai hizi vitu nikupe mbate kwa sema kwa 50 usimia. Nipige hii ni kitu kidogo.
Fanya aje? tuache mambo mengi. Taimke shilingi 300.
200 chiho.
300.
200 chiho paene muri.
Mana mbelu, maheri. Imagine.
Kwa sababu kana tutaukuma. Kana tutaukuma.
Ne maigangara. Kana no kufyeka ndaya. Ngara. Lakini bona mbetana pia tofauti na kayomba kamfyeke buye.
Tigurifye kora urino. Tigurifye kora urino muri.
You got a test.
Guys, I'll do it alone. Yeah, I'm telling you.
You've been a manpower also, yeah?
Yes, I'll do it alone muri.
Yeah.
Tariga endo sel. Nkara ni bitambi byo natwe ne bikengo. Okay guys. Tana 300. Tana 300 hata no bino ni chemba. Tana 300 pene muri. Wewe fanya kijo sina 300. Wikine nda gutero gusokira umusho Kenya ni mukiase mia.
Yani unini gankutunika?
Nta bana ni ngotebo heno rakorura maya 200. Guys, at this moment I have only on my pocket $2. And then Murimi need $3.
Yeah.
But at this case, with me I have $2. You just do it. Takoro Murimi, bana nchochiho. Omano kupendo chiga. Guys, I'm telling him I still let's maybe slash the tall grass to cut to be short. At least the land looks beautiful, guys. Hey, you go Ben. Sino chitore musuko. Uya usibibira nkumoba so. Kiri sirule hara. Kiri. Tatema temoti mari.
Guys, this man is cheating you because you know this is manpower.
It's manpower. Saini saa ngapi mari?
Saini sasta.
You do. It's 12:40. You start right now. And then like 20 minutes, 30 minutes
Not
of already
20
finished.
minutes. You know?
Okay guys. Yeah, I know it's manpower. But a short time we finish it. Wow. You see, even here, we just negotiate, guys. But I'm sorry for that. And let me have a seat here, guys. You know, this I'm sitting on these stones here, guys, like that. That's Hello Baby, guys. You know, I want to make this home to be sweet home. I'm telling you, right here. Okay. Hey guys, I'm so tired, but I'll try my best. I always try my best. I'll try my best, guys. Okay, guys. Wow, guys, I'm running with time. At the same time, I'm going to wash my bike, but I see how the weather behave. See right here. So the guy is doing work there, and then he came with the rake and slash, and then we correct this. Dad, amahoro. Eh. Okay. See guys, let me show you. Is to remove this stick, this stuff, you know. we use the rake. Use the rake, guys. So to make this place to be more okay. Oh my god. Last time we do some work with another guy, but today I do with also a different guy. Wow. And then do this, we collect them. See, like this, we collect it together. You know, but at the rake will make work to be easy. You know. On the lake. Hey! Babu ndio ako nao. Yeye ndo alinoa akafunga hapo, utamuomba. Utaongea naye akupatie. Utaongea na yeye. See guys, this one here. So guys, stay tuned. I'll show you more amazing video. Babu, utaongea na yeye. Okay guys.
Kazi.
Ungekuwa zinang'olewa. Ungekuwa zinang'olewa.
Ndio hivi, yani ukifanya hivyo
azimei tena
sana. Ndio na watu wa kazi sio kwambie eti. Ndio na stamina ya kutosha ya kufanya.
See guys, the size of here acts as a boundary, but it was staying here and then fought to other side. Wow. Finish for me. Yes guys, so right now my sweat home, it's purely clean. Okay guys. Michoyo na bantu nguchavare moe. Papa moe taring ya igna kundikiri. East Africa, Kenya. Oh, it's the borehole right here. Yeah, I know. Guys, I'm gonna put myself at the hair. I'm kidding. Tarango. Okay. Hi, hi.
Why very good?
Oh. Eh? Guys, this is a borehole and it has a lot of water. You see the water down? on the ground right there. Maybe during the building and construction we use this water to build. I'm telling you guys, it's a lot. The work is going good in a smoothly way. You can see, guys, at least right now you see how the land looks like. Whoa. Wow. Hii sasa ikitoka ile ikimea vizuri sasa ile nzuri. Tana ng'ombe zinakula. So unaona kama hapa hazikulagi hapa kwa kitiribu, umeona hazikuli. Penye ng'ombe imekunya haiwezi kula tena. Sisi zimeshiba kitambo. Ndari hata mfukuzo tena. Ndari hata mfukuzo. Kwani ndari amekuwa kama shetani mkubwa. Okay guys, angalia Uganda. Ayo, temera hari. Ringo yenye makabisa. Oh guys, do the rake here. I wanna do some work. Songwa hari. Murekere kazi. Rake nyana. So. Remy, kanaenda kazi siri. So do the finishing, guys. Okay guys, we shall meet on the next video. Well, maybe I'm heading to wash my bike and then or heading to border town. Both two videos are coming, guys. Wow. Alright guys, after from the land, I'm just over here. So I wanna wash my bike. This is the car wash here. Hey. So guys, I'm telling you, my bike is something else outside. Look. Hey, you can't believe it's a brand new. Whoa. So I'm here, and this is the tarmac road, which connects the border of Kenya and Tanzania. Woo! Right here. You wanna touch like this? Oh, it's so hot, man. Yeah. Okay guys, comment on the comment section, what do you think? We having to wash the bike, like we're doing spraying of the water by using machine. want to mislead my engine, guys, because when we drive and it's full of muddy, the engine looks yellow in color, man. Hey. Ngabona ndo imulicha kumenye koromora.
Uko mzee.
So hapa monta bontao.
Hapa ndipo nitajenga hata kwa kachani hapa.
Nyena Kongo. Nyena Kongo. Ni vizuri muishi hapa afu mulime huko.
Sasa pale kwa kulima. Jenga huko sasa tunajua nafasi ya kulima huko.
Motorbike. Crazy. Hey. Something else. Right here, I'm telling you, this is a tarmac road which connect the border of Kenya, Tanzania, Uganda. Look, big machine, Tanzanian car. Whoa, hey, Prado, TX. Look that machine, man.
Sinaonanga vile anakusumbuanga.
Ni handa.
Basi uko na deni.
Yote kumyori chirangi. Ndio hata wati kundota manjuni nyeusi.
Unaweza kisha hivyo tu dodo. Ninakutakia ni mzima. Uchafu zimebaki.
Nani kena ne uniku engine hano pene. Honda nda maintain. Alright guys, stay tuned. More amazing videos coming, and right now I'm in Nyabohansa. So after this video, you will see me in border town. Wow, that's how we wash the bike, guys. Hii tairi inakimbia miaka mingapi ndio kuzeeka?
Bado ijawa. Si miaka hivi. Samani sita kume.
Mwingine anakimbia
kuna mwingine hata anaendanga mpaka mwaka. Unajua zile zinakujanga nazo? Wango original.
Si ndio hiyo, sima yuko na yake na miaka miwili na hajaibadilisha.
Sasa unasikia. Zile zinakujanga nayo. Wango original lakini
okay guys, the final touches right now. Woo! My bike is purely clean. And I feel like the flow is catching me, and then sorry for that, you know. I buy something to drink, ginger and lemon. Mora. Hana hot toast. Claro, que gaciro. No fish. Subscribe to my channel, guys. If you haven't subscribed, road to success, guys. Show me some love. Wow. At this moment, my bike is clean. Wow. So those lorries are carrying maize and then heading to Nairobi. Hey, TX, man. What? Prado. Take pango sa tanda te down ni poni yung kebu. Okay. Well guys, I'm heading to somewhere special. and I'm heading to see something, you know. So I'm working on this tarmac road here. Wow. Okay. Look at that machine, man. Bring that way. Let's see. So bumps ahead. This signboard shows you here. There's some big bumps there. Okay. Guys, pray for me. This week I'm supposed to see whether I can manage to get blocks, 700 blocks for my mom's dream house. I'm lucky only with $100 to do something, guys, you know. And I want to make my mom's to be happy. The way you made me my life to be changed, let me change my mom's life. I'm telling you. So I'm heading to, there's some small shop right there. So I'm going to have some liquid soap, which have a good smell. And the opposite side have a girl's school on other side, right there. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Oh guys, that's how Nyabuhansi village looks like. I'm telling you. Wow. So there is some shop here. I'm going to have more. Wow. We have to down. Wow. There's a hotel here. Also there's a hotel. This is a shop. I'm heading this way. Okay. Odi. Let's see if they have some cash. So guys, I wanna see if they have some cash. I'm like, Tanga down. Tanga down. Shirini pena nipo panguze pikipiki. Down. Pole. Hey. Yendera tena. Tini nzuri ya asante. So I purchased this down, and it make my bikes smell good. So let's go. I'm telling you guys, people outside here have money, you know, driving big machine. Okay guys, I bought this down when new, and it have a good perfume. So I'm so crazy, my bike can have good smell. Wow. Enjoy the village life, you know, this village life. I'm telling you guys, people drive here with no helmets. I know it's a normal thing, but for our protection we need to wear the helmet. Wow. As products of loading of people and luggage. Yeah. I want to make my machine to be more clean, 24 hours, nothing to be black. Okay. Hey. Oi. Danda. People want to carry me because I'm walking and filming. Mario. Okay. Ena bono. Ira inyukia. Good service. Kita no kene soko. I see old car version right here. Nowadays it exists. Look at that old car version. And okay guys, stay tuned. More amazing videos coming from here. So let's do this. Boom. Well guys, my bike it's okay. So right now it's time to go in Border town. So let's do this guys. First thing we wanna do like this. And then guys, I wish my home could be near to this because it's tarmac everywhere. So let's go. Zawaraki. Let's go. That guy tells me where the skate because you look like a lady. Let's move. Look how the weather looks like. Oh. Hey, that motorbike, something else. But guys, me, I don't care. Just flow the vibe to the end. You know, flow the vibe to the end. Look at the side. It shows you the beauty how this place is made. Let's go. Zewaraki. Okay. Heading straight. Go to Border town. Whoa, guys, it's almost rain. Look how the cloud, how it's behaved. At this moment, the way have been changed. I'm telling you. Wow. But all in well, we thank God for the gift of life. So guys, stay tuned. We shall continue to Border town. Wow, we're going right now. I'm in Spania. That's my Roman Catholic Church. This way, and I'm heading to Border town, guys. All right, let's go. That vlogs. The day is coming. I'm telling you. Let's move. It's super amazing on the other side. Oh, but I'll keep going this way. Kasongo. Wow, this is border town. Business town, man, right now. Okay. Yeah, I'm driving slowly. You see the truck here? This is Tanzanian truck. Let's go. It's another beautiful day which God have granted us. You see a day like this, that's the furniture place. Somebody's calling me. Hello. Ndo nimefika hapa junction ya Kihanja. Yeye nisubirie tu hapo. All right, man. Okay. Nothing to be hide. I just received the call. That's brother Dag. Let's go. Border town. Hey. We keep moving. Sometime, guys, I showed you how border town looks like. Every day there's some changes here and there. You know, there's some changes here and there. Wow, crazy. Boom. From Tanzania, the rain is coming, man. And wow, people are outside alongside of the business, man. Okay, let's move. I see SGR. Look, that one there. Oh, what a town, man. Okay. Let's move on. Look, people are outside. Okay. Some departments, tall building, rental house, business house. And actually normally buy some type on the other side. You know? Oh my god. Let's go. The KK here. Okay. Total petrol station. Common to the world. Tank right here. Look at this. That. Wow. I see the KK. Yellow is in color. That's the KK. All right. So guys, we shall meet on the next video.